Hello guys and welcome back to another video. My name's Kevin Lee, and if you're new to my channel, I make videos on how to invest in the stock market, buying stocks, shares, bonds, ETFs, you name it. The name of the game is making as much money as possible and getting the hell out. Now what I want to talk about in today's video, I want to talk about the top 3 investments that I've made since I started my portfolio a couple of months ago, and I want to show you exactly how they're doing currently right now. That if you see my video, my second video where I talked about my 10 top picks, these are the companies that I picked in the very beginning when I first started my portfolio, and I want to show you the best performing 3 companies in my portfolio. Now I also want to show you the point of which I made my investment, of when I got into the market in these companies. I also want to show you where the companies are at the moment, and I also want to give you a bit of advice of when to jump into a company and what kind of hunch or kind of indicators, should I say, that you should go on, and that will give you the know-how when to make an investment. Also, I'm still in the Christmas spirit, guys. We're in lockdown over here in London, so I've just got my Christmas jumper on. I'm saying, like, let's get the cat out of the bag straight away. So yeah, we're gonna jump straight into this, guys. I'm gonna give you the top 3 companies that are performing the best in my portfolio. I'm also gonna show you when I jumped into these companies, okay? Now, number 3. Now, Sabre was actually a free share that was given to me. Again, if you've seen my video, you remember when I told you all about my free shares. This was one of my free shares. So I didn't even know about Sabre until it was given to me. It was a random free share that was given to me just by referring a friend. Remember, I told you guys, all you need to do with Freetrade is if you download the app, send it to your friend, they also download the app and top up their account, you get a free share. How good is that? You're getting a free share without even putting anything into the company. So let me just say that again. The 3rd best performing company in my portfolio was given to me for free, guys. I didn't even invest anything in this company. It was a free share. Now I've left the link under this video. So if you click on that link, it will enable you to download the Freetrade app, top up your account, send the link to a friend. They'll be given a free share. You'll also receive a free share. Don't forget, you can do this multiple times. So you can make as many free shares as you like. You can get anything from £3 to £200. Let me say that again. You can get anything from £3 to £200. It's a very good incentive right now that Freetrade are running. At some point, they will probably remove this incentive. So definitely jump on it as soon as possible. I've left the link under this video, okay? I've received quite a few shares just by people downloading the app. They also receive free shares, and there's no limit to how many times you can do this. Don't forget, my portfolio, I've got 22 picks in my portfolio. Out of 22 companies, the 3rd best performing company was one given to me for free. So definitely take note of that, guys. So yeah, with Sabre at the moment is performing at a rate of 76.68%, which is really good considering it's a free share. So what that basically means is Freetrade gave me this free share at a time which was really good because it has performed really well since it was given to me. Now this share was given to me on the 7th of October 2000, which is last year. Now it's almost doubled in just over a couple of months. It's £12.42. So as you can see, it's gone up a huge amount. That's Sabre, guys, yeah? It's on the screen, you can see it. It's part of my portfolio. I told you about these free shares early on when they were given to me, guys. That's number 3. The 3rd best performing company in my portfolio is Sabre, which was given to me for free. Take note of that. Now let's move on to my 2nd best performing company in my portfolio, a name that we've all heard of, Tesla. Now Tesla is performing at a rate of 78.60%, which makes it my 2nd best performing company in my portfolio. Now this company, I mentioned it straight away in my 10 top picks. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link for it under this video, so you can go back and watch that. Now, as you know, Tesla is an EV company, electric vehicle. I've got 3 electric vehicle companies in my portfolio. Tesla's the best performing one. I've got Tesla, XPeng, and NIO, as you already know. Again, for you guys who watch my videos consistently, really appreciate you guys. So you know this already. Tesla is performing really, really good at the moment, guys. Really, really good. It's really outperforming the other EV companies in my portfolio. We have seen an influx with NIO and also XPeng. Definitely worthwhile investing in those 2 companies at the moment, because we are going to see Tesla hit its peak in the next year or so. So these companies, XPeng and NIO, definitely worth jumping on those right now, because those companies are new EV companies to the market. Okay, so you're going to see these companies also getting into the $700 a share. We're talking in the next 5 years, we're going to see NIO and XPeng in the $700 a share, and right now you can get it for under $50, guys. So you'd be absolutely crazy not to invest in either NIO or XPeng. But anyway, the second best performing company in my portfolio is Tesla, guys. Now let me show you. I invested in Tesla when it was $380.36 a share for a single share in Tesla. That's when I made my investment. That was on the 23rd of September 2000, okay? 2020. Okay, we're looking a few months ago, guys. Just when I started my portfolio. This was the first, if not the first company that I invested in. Remember, guys. And today, a single share in Tesla is $794.29 a share. All right, I'm gonna say that again. $794.29 a share in Tesla. So you can see, I made the investment at a really, really good time. All right, and it was one of the first companies that I invested in. All right, as part of my 10 top picks. So now's a really, really good time. Not as good, I wouldn't say it's the best time to invest in Tesla above NIO and XPeng, all right? Because those companies I can see going 10x easy in the next 4 to 5 years. Easy peasy, all right? But Tesla is definitely a company worthwhile to jump on and make an investment. I'd say wait for it to, at the moment it's $194.29 a share. I'll say wait for it to drop down to at least, you know, if you can see it drop down to at least $750. Make an investment because you know it's going to go up again. You know, definitely if you see it go down under 500, jump in on it. You know, jump in. Especially again, if you see it go under the 400, jump in. But right now, if you want to make a quick investment, I wouldn't say invest right now personally. I wouldn't say make an investment in Tesla right now because it's shooting up very quickly, but it could drop very quickly as well, guys. So I would say wait at least until it drops at least under the 750. 750, let it sit there because it's definitely going to go up above 750. That's my personal opinion on Tesla. I'm not adding any extra shares to Tesla right now. I'm nice, but I'm going to wait until it drops up beneath 700. You know, at 750, 700, because you know it's going to go up way above that point again. But that's my personal opinion. That's my second best performing pick in my portfolio, Tesla. I mentioned this in my very, very first pick as part of my portfolio. You remember that, guys? All right. Now, I want to get into this again. Like, we'll talk about number one now. The best performing company in my portfolio, guys. The number one best performing company in my portfolio is doing better than these companies combined. All right, I just want to put it out there, all right? I just want to put it out there. The number one company that I picked as part of my 10 top picks. Don't forget, I'm new to the game, but when I made my 10 top picks, I made these picks intelligently. Now, my number one pick is performing better than these two companies combined. All right, guys? Now, without further ado, I just want to let you know my number one pick, performance-wise, in my portfolio. And it's a company that I mentioned in my second video on this channel when I was talking about investments. And you investment guys may know this already. You may know this already, but I'm going to get straight into it. It's Plug Power, guys. Remember I told you, when I invested in Tesla, XPeng, at the time, I invested in Plug Power. I told you guys, I said, when the EV market increases, one of the most important parts of an electric car is the battery. And it's Plug Power that I invested in as part of my 10 top picks. And it is the best performing company in my portfolio. And I got 22 picks. This was the third company that I picked when I started investing ever. Not started investing like in a couple of months. I'm new to the game, guys, all right? Don't forget, click on the link under this video. Download Freetrade. Invest. You can invest anything, £5, $5, whatever. You'll be given a free share. You may be given a free share bigger than your investment. All you got to do is top up your account, make an investment, and you'll be given a free share. Now, this isn't a company that was given to me for free. I picked this one myself. Now, you can see Plug Power, guys. Look, 161.72%. Plug Power is performing better than both companies combined. All right? I love Plug Power. I love it. I told you, EV cars are going to be incredible in the future, but you need a battery, you need a generator to run these cars. I told you guys. And Plug Power was my third component, and it's doing amazing. I love Plug Power. Now, currently at the moment, guys, a single share in Plug Power is $45.64. That's $45.64 in Plug Power. All right, that's currently at the moment. You can see the 7th of January when this share was this amount. Now, it may have changed since by the time you're watching this video. This is on the 7th of January, all right? Now, when I made an investment in Plug Power, it was on the 5th of October 2020. All right, the 5th of October 2020, and it was $15.74 a single share in Plug Power, guys. All right, so as you can see, it's performing amazingly well, and I got in early. And that's what you want to do. You want to get in on these companies early. All right. And if you want to know when to invest, I've made videos on this. Just definitely go through the videos on my channel. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to take you through the journey. Look, we're all on a journey, guys. I'm on a journey. You're on a journey. I'm learning. I'm new to the game. I'm very new to the game. I'm what, three months in or so, but I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys, and we're all learning together. All right. We're all growing together. It's a journey. Jump on a journey. Subscribe. Share my videos. Get on board. All right, so that was $15.74 a share in Plug Power, and it's performing amazingly well. It's my #1 best performing company in my portfolio. So yeah, I really wanted to share this with you guys. I wanted to give you an update exactly where I'm at, the best 3 companies performing in my portfolio. Now, what you want to do when these companies are really performing well, and you can see them, really doing well, it's not necessarily the best time to chuck loads of more money on these companies, because they're doing well. They're doing great. You want to put money when it's in the red somewhat. You want to invest low, sell high. But at the moment, I'm not looking to sell any of my picks at the moment. I've got a couple of ones that are really moving real slow. We've got the Apples, the Microsofts and stuff like that, because they're very much safe bets. They're not going to be jumping up humongously fast at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Because they're already mainstream. But these companies, these companies such as Plug Power, it's still a good time to make an investment in Plug Power. By all means, don't be scared by the 161%. It's still a great time to invest in Plug Power because it's still a relatively newish company, so definitely worthwhile jumping on board. I'm going to add more funds to it when I see it. I want it to drop a little bit, not a lot. I just want to see it in the 43s, 44, get back down to 41, 40, and I'll chuck some more money on it, because at the moment it's on 45, which is doing great, but I don't put more money on it now and it drops. So I want it to drop now. I believe it may drop in the next 3 weeks or so. We might see it back in the 40s, and I'll chuck some more money on it. That's my personal opinion on Plug Power, but that's my portfolio so far, guys. And these are the best 3 companies. 2 of them were my picks. 2 of these companies were my picks when I made my top 10 picks. 1 of them was given to me for free. Now bear that in mind. 2 of my picks. 1 was a free share given to me by Freetrade. That goes to show that by sharing the link, when you get a link, when you download the Freetrade app and you get a link, send it to all your friends, because even if a couple download, you might be giving free shares that will really perform really well. So definitely work food for thought there, guys. Don't forget the link to download the Freetrade app is underneath this video. Make sure you click on it, download the app, top up your account and so forth. Send me a little message on Instagram as well. Don't forget Kevin Lee Invest, and I'll take you on a journey, guys. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to leave you with that, guys. You know what I'm saying? I was a bit excited because Plug Power is really performing well, and I picked it early. So 161% is really good. I can see that easily going up to maybe 300% in the future, easy. But I got in there early, guys. So just want to leave you with that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.